Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Tonight we have another harvest time. Harvest pa more. Last call. If you wanna harvest, just let me know. Please help me. Last call. Where are you, Carmen? Oy, Nip Nip. Inday, Scott. Al, Leah. Ano mo, oy, tabang silingan. Bugting tugnaw na po. Kinangnan ni ko na ni siya. Naka-harvest na ko. Gida na ko strabuan. More than 56 pounds. So, ilabot karon. Pinsay tabang. Oy, matay hambak. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. If you wanna harvest, let me know. I have plenty here. Once again, this is Elmer Clark. Last call now. If not, I don't know. Let them rotten in the tree. Who cares? Alright guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. I have plenty here. Tabang mga salingan. If you wanna harvest, please give me a call. Oy, Lita, where are you? From Emmett. Come over. Gloria, I know you are in Yakima, Oregon, but I don't know if you have time. Okay. Evelyn. Atay, oy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Pailabot dito speakers. There they go. Too much. Last call na, ha? Please give me a call. Alright, see you in my next vlog. I still have here plenty here. There they go. Thanks for watching, guys. There. See you in my next vlog. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Mura ko nasa lasang dere guys. Ay, tunoy na kayo, nangapuwak na. Alright, see you in my next vlog. Plenty.